Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shot it bad, pop up like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this boring black wig into this amazing burgundy red colour. As you can see from the picture, perfect for brown skin babes. So I started off with my freshly made wig. I used Alipearl bundles and I thought it was easy to make the wig first. I then used these hair dyes. So I've got the L'Oreal Magic Contrast and two Adore hair dyes, which I'll have linked below. Then sprayed the closure with Got To Be sprayed. Obviously if you don't want red lace you have to do this. Most people just use this, but I went the extra step and I used conditioner too. Yes, conditioner. I was not having red lace. I said nope, not today. So spread that all across the lace in a really thin layer just so that the dye didn't seep through. So in order to lift the colour off black, you're going to need developer. I used the Truzone 40 volt developer. I did measure it out and I used the Magic Contrast colour too.
Oh my god. Whoops. That's shit.
So I did follow the instructions on the concentration. This colour is meant to be used with developer, so I followed the instructions at first. I then added in a little bit of each Adore dye as well, and I just mix. The Magic Contrast is extremely thick, so don't be thrown off. I then literally parted it, went section by section, and when I got about halfway through, I literally just started mixing, doing my own kind of mixture. I stopped measuring because it was just long, and I ended up using about 2 tubes of the Magic Contrast and maybe about half and half of the 2 Adores. Make sure you are parting and combing through. You want every single strand coated. It is worrying at first. It looks like it's not picking up, but you have to leave it for a while and eventually it starts picking up. Going on to the closure, yep, of course you have to be very careful, line by line, very thin lines, and make sure that you are getting close to the root, almost touching it but not quite, because obviously you've got your conditioner there to protect it, and just make sure again every single strand is covered. This is what it looks like when it's all done. I think I ended up leaving it about 3-4 hours. Obviously developer stops developing at a certain stage. After washing that out with literally just normal shampoo, I then hair dried the inside of the clothes so that I could bleach the knots. I prefer to do this after, obviously in case there's anything that needs to be corrected. It's just a bit easier. So this is the consistency I like to have my bleach, not too thick but kind of like cake batter consistency. I then wash it out with a purple shampoo to remove any brassiness, normal shampoo on the rest of the hair, and then I go in with this Colour Protect conditioner, which is lit. It makes the hair so soft, which I love. I then straighten the hair using the Got To Be heat protectant spray and heat activated straightening balm. So I put these all through the hair when they're damp, and then blow dry that. So this is what the hair looks like just once it's semi-dry, kind of wet, still a bit damp. As you can see, every single strand is coloured. I didn't miss any strands out, so it's really patience that is gonna make the wig look nice, and also the conditioner is really gonna bring the hair back to life so it's soft and silky, because remember the hair has been processed, it's been dyed. So as you can see, I'm literally just blow drying out the hair. I'm using a comb and that nozzle, concentrated nozzle thing, so the heat can go right to the hair. It is bodywave. Yeah, at this point I'd already added the 2 products that I mentioned before so that it can dry nice and sleek. I did also notice that the knots were under bleached. I literally left it in for 45 minutes, but if you know about Alipearl knots, you know that they are so hard to bleach, so I ended up bleaching them again like 2 weeks later. I just wanted to show you guys that this hair was really not shedding. I was combing it and nothing was coming off, which is amazing, especially after I've literally dyed it. Like, there was just nothing coming off, so I was just so excited. This hair, yeah, it's over for you bitches. Look at the length too.
coloured it myself. What do you guys think of the colour? I think I did really well. But I feel like this, once I beat my face, like this is a really good colour. Like it's not
Thank you
too
so much for
bright.
watching, guys. Make sure you check out the description for all the product links and also the hair details. I've done a mini review. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.